the beginning, the beginning, beginning, the beginning, beginning, the beginning.
Hey guys! Welcome to part 2 of Colourette Colour It review. In my previous video, I did this blonde base and then with these roots. These were natural before in the sides and in the back. And then look how even that looks! Except for one area that I completely forgot. I don't know if you can see right here. Nakalimutan ko yan. Ano ba yan? So, in my previous video, I already talked about the packaging for Sky Dye and what the box contains, what the color looks like. So, if you want to see that, watch the previous video. So yeah, today we will be using, finally, Sky Dye in the shade Aurora. The reason why I chose green is because what I've noticed from local dyes, when it comes to yellow and green, the yellow pigments tend to fade so fast after you open the tub. It would fade for about, in my personal experience, my yellows, my local hair dyes that are yellow, it faded for about just a couple of months. But then the shelf life says it's usually 12 months. So that's very fast. So that's extremely fast. Even for greens, since you know, blue and yellow makes green. And then the yellow would fade and then it would just become either blue or aqua. That's the reason why I chose green. So that I want to see for after a couple of months, 2 or 3 months, I want to see if the green still stays green or if the yellow pigments will suddenly fade and it will just turn blue. But yeah, we're gonna color my hair finally. Now, I was gonna dilute this with conditioner, but it did say in the box it has moisturizing ingredients. Now, I'm no chemist or anything. I don't know which of these ingredients that's gonna help me give me that moisturizing effect, but I do know one ingredient, the amodimethicone, that's silicone. So I know that that's the ingredient that's gonna keep my hair feeling silky smooth. So that's one. So I hope it does help hydrate my hair, because that would be a good benefit of after using the bleach cloud and then using this color to moisturize the hair, just so that it could help hydrate your hair better from all that bleaching. So enough chit-chatting, let's get started. Now I've already clipped up my hairs, and because the reason is because for the sides and the back, even though I'm gonna apply the top part undiluted, I still want to see the color, what it's gonna look like if I heavily dilute this. And also because I don't want my whole head of hair to be just this. I just want some sort of depth or dimension to it. And then just the top part and some of the back to be completely Aurora green. And then I'm gonna heavily dilute it with the Cream Silk Hydra, as I always do. I hope there's enough. Oh my god. Let's see what it looks like diluted. Here it is again. Color. There it is. There it is. That does look pretty. It's really not translating to the camera properly. I'm still using their brush and their bowl just to like stay true to the whole kit. So I'm putting this much color only, and then I'm gonna put the rest with Cream Silk. There it is. I think I need more. Uh-oh. Well, okay, I need way more conditioner, but this is what it looks like now. Oh, okay, it did become lighter. There it is. It's looking a little gray in the camera. Guys, I promise, this is more green. Okay, I think I did it. I think I turned it pastel now, because I put it in the glove, and this is what it looks like. Here's the one undiluted, and then here's the one diluted. There we go. There, see it? It's way lighter. Okay, this looks exciting. Okay, I get to finally color it. Let's see, color it. Wow, I really want it to be pastel. I mean, let's see if they can do pastel. By the way, I was going to tone my hair to white because of a future video that I was gonna do. I was gonna test this one product for a brand, but I did say to myself, but if I tone my hair white, that means I'm gonna apply this color in white hair, and I want to show my reviews to other people to make it more accessible. Like what would happen if I just use just the bleach cloud and the dyes for other people, because not everyone can achieve white hair. I mean, it's an incredibly difficult color to achieve, you know, like you'll need lots of bleaching sessions and then very good toners to achieve white. So I just want to be considerate for other people if they want to watch this and help them with their decision making if they want to get this. So I just want to be fair by just after bleaching and straight up using the dye without toning, just so that we can be fair. And so far, oh, that looks cute. Wait, I really like this. This is such a cute pastel color. So yeah, when it comes to like buzz cut types of hair, you can just like rub it around to make sure to get every single hair. Oh, that looks so cool if it's pastel. Can I just do the whole thing pastel? No, I sadly can't. I really want to see the color undiluted on my hair, just to be fair. Okay, so I'm just gonna time lapse this until I'm finished with the sides and the back, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, now I've applied my sides and back with the pastel diluted Aurora green, and I also applied some on my eyebrows because some of the blonde was peeking through. I put black dye on it, but it was fading. There was some blonde showing up, so I was like, hey, why not? Green brows, right? So now we get to try the color itself, just the color itself. I'm ready. I'm really excited for this. Here we go. I'm trying to do this effect where I have dark green roots and then it becomes light at the ends. And what do we think? It looks like vegetable. But hey, that doesn't look that bad. I'll see you guys in a bit, probably with the rest of this hair like that. Who knows? Okay, I'm done applying everything. Now it is looking really good, like green. But look, I've noticed that my gloves have stained and has faded into blue, which could foreshadow the observation I was talking about, where the dyes could fade into blue. So there's a huge chance that my hair could fade. What? I can't even talk. There's a chance that my hair could fade into blue or aqua. I hope it's aqua. So this could possibly happen to the dye too. That the yellow pigments could fade and turn into probably aqua-ish. So I wouldn't be mad if it's aqua. If it's blue though. So yeah, I got some time from that. It says in the instructions to leave it for 45 minutes, right? 45. Yeah, 45 minutes. As far as I know, if you leave hair color that long, it will be like really long lasting. And I don't want my dyes to be super long lasting. I'll just probably leave this for 30 minutes? Probably 30 minutes. Or 15, I don't know, who knows. I'll probably leave it at 15 minutes and then we'll see what happens. So I'll see you guys when this is all like rinsed and dried out. I'll see you later with the results.
The beginning, the beginning, the beginning, the beginning.
Okay guys, I've rinsed out the color and I also applied some Hybrid Color Switch hair serum again, like in the last video, because I was scared my ends were getting a little dry, but now they're fine, they're okay. So are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. This is so green, but this is very disorienting because now this is like an issue with what I'm seeing in the mirror and what I'm seeing in the phone, because in the phone it looks more like a subtle cool tone green, while in person, what I'm seeing in the mirror, it's like more vibrant green, like the right balance, kind of like blue and yellow green, while this one here in the camera, it's slightly more toned, more neutral, cool toned-ish green. But either way, I kind of like it though. It's a very solid color. Here the roots though, see, like it looks so dark compared to the ends. But then again, it's because I have like lighter ends, level 10-ish. Do I feel the moisturizing ingredients? I'm not so sure. I don't know, because usually when I would rinse out colors, but when I was rinsing out in the shower, it did feel a little dry, a little, not dry, like, you know what, some things like squeaky clean, something like that. That was the texture that I was feeling. And then did it bleed? Well, it bled on my towel. I do really like it. I wish it was like more cool toned, but actually this is better though, rather than like this, because here it does look dull. See, look at that. That looks dull in the camera, but here suddenly you get like this better, more vibrant green. So I guess oh yeah, here I forgot. I did heavily dilute the sides and then the back. Yeah. I do really love it if it's heavily diluted. Oh, so much. Yeah, so maybe next time if I want to finish this tub, I'll probably just heavily dilute it instead, because I don't know, I'm leaning towards this one. I like brighter colors. This concludes the Colourette Colour It line reviews, because I've tried both the bleach cloud and then the sky dye. Now, I don't know if I want to compare like which products do I like more, the bleach cloud or the sky dye, because the bleach cloud really lifted my hair, my roots up to like level 10. Whereas this one, I like it. I'm not like loving it. Like maybe that's just me personally, because I've tried a green before that was like neon green. That was right up my alley though. So maybe if I would have chosen the orange, because if you guys have seen people who have tried this in orange, like Miss Nina again, she used the orange one. That looked so beautiful and bright. Do you see how bright that orange was? That's the one that I wanted. Maybe next time I'll purchase the orange soon in the future. Also, another thing that I want to compare though is this packaging reminds me of INH. See, like box and everything, and then the cap, the tub, the way that it was made with the cool tone kind of green reminds me of X model colors. See, if you open it, see, look at that. Wait, ooh, this one's more green though than this one, because even though I love X model colors, the green is a little even though I'm comparing these imported products with this, I'm not saying that Colourette is copying this and everything, but I am saying is that now we have a local product that has so much quality that's easily accessible for all of us, because I want that for every CCO and future CCOs. You never know. So I'm really glad that local products like Colourette is stepping up when it comes to hair products. So yeah, I'm really happy that the brand is really stepping it up, like setting the standards now. So if there's any other brands that want to start up in hair colors and etc., this is probably the gold standard. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna conclude this review. Oh, by the way, the next video, I did say that I was gonna tone my hair before this one. That's gonna be the next video. I'm very excited to try that one out. So I'm gonna try erase this hair color. I still have a little bit of bleach left, so I'm gonna test that by doing a bleach bath. Maybe it could get rid of the colors easily. Who knows? I don't know. Judging by how fast this lifted. So it could get rid of this color easily after I bleach bath it. Who knows? And then the next video, I'm gonna do my hair white with the toners soon in the future. Stay tuned for that one. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, and please also don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for whatever video I'm about to make next. Alright, see you guys. I'll see you in the next video.